In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emoji in Evernote. Whether you're looking to add a splash of personality to your notes or simply want to express your ideas more visually, using emojis is a great way to enhance your written content. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to effortlessly add emojis to your Evernote documents. First, you'll need to decide exactly where in your note you want to place the emoji. This is an important step because where you place your cursor is exactly where the emoji will appear. It might be at the beginning of a line, in the middle of your text, or at the end. Be deliberate about your placement so that the emoji complements your content well. Once you've decided, simply click your mouse at this spot to position the cursor. Next, you'll want to open the Emoji Picker tool. If you're using a Windows computer, you can quickly do this by pressing the Windows key and the period key simultaneously. That's right, just hold down that Windows key and tap the period key. Upon doing this, a window will pop up, filled with a variety of emojis. This emoji picker is your gateway to a world of icons that range from smiley faces and animals to food items and symbols. Now that you have the emoji picker open, it's time to find the emoji you want to use. You can scroll through the available options to get a sense of what's in stock, or use the search box if you're looking for something specific. The search feature is particularly helpful if you have an idea of the type of emoji you want to use. Type in keywords like happy, dog, or heart, and watch as the results refine to show you related emojis. Once you find the perfect icon, all you need to do is click on it. The chosen emoji will then appear exactly where your cursor is placed in your Evernote text. It's as simple as that. If you want to add more emojis, just keep the emoji picker open, browse, and click on any others you like. This process allows you to fill your notes with multiple emojis seamlessly. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to insert emoji in Evernote. By following these steps, you can make your notes more engaging and fun with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your digital tools. Happy note-taking!